Konnichiwa minasan. For today's video, we will teaching you how to say dates in Japanese. Without further ado, let's start. First thing, we'll talk about the days of the week, which Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday is Gatsu Yobi. You just add Yobi on the last. So, for example, Monday is Gatsu Yobi. Tuesday is Kin Yobi. Wednesday is Suyobi. Thursday is Mokoyobi. Friday is Kin Yobi. Saturday is Doyobi. And the Sunday is Nichi Yobi. Now we're talking about the months. So we're going to use the suffix gatsu and you just follow the 1, 2, 3 or ichi ni san in the Japanese. So ichi ni san, shi or yon. We're going to use yon, or we're going to use shi and go, roku, nana or shichi. But in months we're going to use shichi and shichi, hachi, kyo or ko. But in months we're going to use kyo or ko. Ko. I'm sorry, it's ko. And Junichi and Juni. For January is Ichigatsu. For February, Nichigatsu. March is Sangatsu. April is Shigatsu. For May is Gogatsu. For June is Rokugatsu. For July is Shichigatsu. For September, August, it's Hachigatsu. For October is Kyo or Kogatsu, which is used Kogatsu. And for October is Jogatsu. And for November, Juichi Gatsu. And for the last is December is Juni Gatsu.
Now, in this part of this video, we're going to talk about the days of the month. Actually, the days of the month does not follow completely the Japanese counting. There's some numbers that different. Now, for the first day of the month, Stachi, Sutachi. Second day of the month, Futsuga. Third day of the month, Mika. Fourth day of the month, Yoka. Instead of ko or yon or she, use yoka. For the fifth, Itsuga. Sixth day of the month, Miyoga. For seventh day of the month, Nanoka. For eighth day of the month is Yuoka. For the ninth of the month, Kokonoka. For the 10th, Tooka. Now for the rest, let's follow the Japanese counting. For the 11, Juichi or Juichinichi. 12, Juninichi. 13, Jusanichi or Jusanichi. For 14, we don't use yon or she. Gonna use yoka, so it's gonna be Juyoka. The next 15, Jugo Nichi. For 16, Juroko Nichi. For 17, Jushi Nichi. For 18, Juhachi for 19, Juko Nichi, Jukonichi. For 20, it's Hatsuka. It's different from Juni, so it's Hatsuka. Ulit. Repeat, Hatsuka. For 21, Junichi Nichi. For Niju Ichinichi. For the 22, Niju Ninichi. For 23, Niju Sanichi. For 24, it's Niju Yoka. Niju Yoka. 25, Nijugo Nichi. Nijugo Nichi. 26, Nijoroko Nichi. Nijoroko Nichi. For 26, for 27 rather, Nijo Shinichi. Nijo Shinichi. For 28 is Nijo Hachinichi. Nijo Hachinichi. 29, Nijo Kunichi. Nijo Kunichi. For 30 is Sanjo Nichi Ichi. Okay. So Sanjo Nichi Ichi. For 31 is Sanjo Ichinichi or Sanjo ni Nichi. Gets. And now let's talk about year. Year in Japanese is called Nen. Nen. For Nen, just follow the normal countings in Japanese. So now you can construct your own birthday in Japanese to impress your friends, girlfriends, everyone else. For example, my birthday was January 13, 2004. In Japanese, watashi no birthday wa nisen yo nen. Okay, nen. Ichigatsu Joshan Nichi desu. So, just said, watashi no birthday wa 2004年1月13日です. So, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Comment your birthday at the comment box below. That's it. Thank you guys for watching.